Hello and welcome to my text studio. Let's learn how can you type text in vertical direction in MS Excel. You can type text in horizontal direction very easily, but typing text in vertical direction is not too difficult. Open Microsoft Excel. Here you can see the sheet number 1. Select a cell and adjust the size of the cell if necessary. Here, let me increase its width so the text will be easily visible to you. Now I'm typing my name in this cell. You can type any data here. After typing, you will see the option of changing its direction. Here we have the Home tab. In the Home tab, we have the option of alignment. In the alignment section, we have the option of orientation. Go to the Home tab. Under the Home tab in Alignment section, you have the option of Orientation. In the Orientation section, you have 6 different options. Converting text into vertical direction, the option is available at number 3. Click on the option of vertical direction and you will see your text in vertical direction. More interestingly, we have 2 other options available in the alignment section. To rotate the text up or to rotate the text down. You can do it. Go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, in the Alignment section, find the Orientation option. In the Orientation option, below the vertical text option, you have the option of Rotate Text Up and Rotate Text Down. Click on Rotate Text Up. You can see the text is now from downward to upward, and Rotate Text Down will convert your text from up to down. So this is how you can convert the text from horizontal to vertical direction. I hope this is going to be interesting for you. Try it, learn it, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Please take care and goodbye.